Most manufacturing systems are built for companies that produce the same product over and over again. Engineer-to-order manufacturers don't. If every job starts with a new bill of materials and goes through many revisions, you already know the standard software can't keep up. So while handling that complexity might be your competitive advantage, finding the right software that can react just as quickly isn't easy. That's why in this video, I'm breaking down 4 of the best platforms for engineer-to-order manufacturing. And to be clear, there's no single best software for ETO manufacturing. The right one depends upon your size, your operation complexity, and the products you create. So if you're starting to evaluate software that works for engineer-to-order shops and want help narrowing down your options, reach out to our team here at Software Connect. We work with everything from small startups to some of the largest global manufacturers and can provide you with tailored recommendations for free. Just use the link in the description below to get started. Now let's break down 4 platforms I often recommend. First up, Total ETO. Total ETO is an MRP and a lightweight ERP built exclusively for ETO manufacturing. It was developed by a team that has worked as custom machine builders themselves and is designed for the complexity of custom manufacturing. If your engineering team is always revising designs and updating components mid-project, Total ETO gives you a centralized place for managing everything. And it provides insights as to how those design changes affect production costs and timelines. It also integrates seamlessly with CAD systems like SolidWorks and Inventor, which makes it a lot easier to manage dynamic and multi-level BOMs. The platform is best for growing small businesses and mid-market manufacturers with pricing starting at just $7,500 per year. I've seen it succeed most with custom machine builders, equipment integrators, and OEM manufacturers. But it's important to note that Total ETO is not built to manage massive global operations and lacks its own native accounting. So if you need back office finances, you'll have to integrate it with Sage or QuickBooks instead. But in reality, many of our clients actually prefer this because they don't have to switch from their existing system. Now, on the opposite side of the spectrum, we have one of the most powerful and well-known enterprise platforms, SAP S/4HANA. SAP is a global enterprise ERP used heavily in aerospace, defense, and large industrial manufacturing environments. This is not a lightweight platform at all. The system is designed for organizations that need deep control across multiple plants or operate in countries with strict compliance requirements, which is why I only recommend it to enterprise-level manufacturers. For ETO specifically, SAP is great at structuring engineering workflows and managing change orders. It supports formal design release workflows, BOM version management, and work breakdown structures. It also delivers strong financial management with support for advanced revenue recognition, multiple entities, and complex compliance reporting. The drawback here is that it does not come cheap. It's one of the most complex and costly systems on the market. It's not a fit for small businesses, and often even mid-market companies find it hard to justify the investment. But if you're a global ETO manufacturer that needs that level of governance and scale, SAP can be a very powerful option. Now, if you want enterprise-level features, but with a lighter overhead, IFS Cloud ERP might be more up your alley. This platform is built for organizations that service equipment after they design and manufacture it. And it's actually used across a few industries, including construction and oil and gas. But it's most popular with capital equipment and industrial machinery manufacturers, especially those who produce complex HVAC systems or enterprise assets. IFS is designed all around projects. Bill of materials, alternate components, and production schedules are tied together so your team is on the same page and always has access to up-to-date information. And like the other systems on the list, it has strong engineering change management controls, including design and BOM tracking. But where it stands out is the connector between manufacturing and aftermarket services. If you're building equipment that requires ongoing maintenance, service contracts, or field support, IFS gives you one system to manage it all. That said, it's not a great fit for small businesses because it takes longer to get up and running and is generally more costly than a system like Total ETO. And last, but certainly not least, is Microsoft Dynamics Business Central. You might have heard this one before, but is it good for an engineer-to-order environment? Well, with add-on extensions from system integrators like Sabre ETO, it most definitely can. Sabre uses Business Central as the ERP foundation and has built deep ETO functionality on top of that. So while it might look and feel like the original system, it was designed to support project-based manufacturing. It comes with multi-level BOM management and has user fields designed for complex engineer-to-order workflows. This approach gives companies the flexibility and familiar environment of Microsoft products while including the critical features ETO manufacturers need. Sabre works best when your team is already comfortable using Business Central, or if you expect to use the broader Microsoft ecosystem like Power Platform. I usually see growing and mid-market manufacturers choose it when they want the scalability of a mid-market ERP without jumping into an enterprise platform like SAP or Oracle Fusion. The drawback here is that your success depends heavily on how well your system integrator sets up your manufacturing environment. That's why I only recommend working with Sabre ETO directly for this one. We can help get you connected if you need. So those are the 4 picks, but which one's best for what you're looking for? Well, if you're a growing small business or even a mid-market company drowning in change orders, Total ETO or Sabre ETO deserves a serious look. Mid-market and enterprise manufacturers needing a more robust system, or those managing post-sale service and maintenance, should consider IFS Cloud or Sabre ETO. And if you're a global ETO manufacturer with multiple facilities or complex financial requirements, then SAP S/4HANA should be on your list. And if you want to test out or compare any of the platforms we discussed today, we can help. Here at Software Connect, we partner with hundreds of ERP platforms purpose-built for your industry. Just reach out in the description below or head over to softwareconnect.com to get recommendations tailored just for you. And obviously, these 4 systems aren't the only ones that work for engineer-to-order manufacturing. If you want to explore other great options like SysPro or ECI M1, check out our complete roundup link below. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to learn more about Dynamics 365 or IFS Cloud, we have videos breaking them down coming up next. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.